Uber doesn't actually trust its own map, and that's the secret behind how it predicts your arrival time. As a product case study, this is one of the smartest system designs in logistics. When you book an Uber, you see an ETA instantly. But here's the problem. Maps can't calculate the shortest path. They can't predict the real world. Uber solved this problem using 3 layers. The first, Uber uses traditional routing algorithms. These systems calculate the fastest path between 2 points, but cities are messy, double parked cars, traffic lights, drivers stopping unexpectedly. Routing gives the path, but it doesn't give the real travel time. So Uber added a second layer called DPTA. Think of it like a correction engine. The routing system predicts the trip. Then the machine learning model actually adjusts it. It learns patterns like certain streets always slow down, specific neighborhoods move slower at night. The system basically asks, given what usually happens here, what will actually happen? Then Uber went further. At airports, drivers often sit in long queues waiting for ride requests. And usually drivers have no idea how long they'd have to wait. So Uber built a model that predicts time to the next request. It uses signals like flight arrivals, weather conditions, historical demand patterns. So drivers can decide whether staying in the queue actually makes sense for them. The big idea here is simple. Uber doesn't try to replace routing algorithm. It lays machine learning on top of them. Routing finds the path, machine learning corrects for reality. If you build products that rely on predictions, logistics, marketplaces, even pricing, the real question is, are you modeling the map or the real world? Follow me for more such product system breakdowns.